Hi friends, in this video we are going to see how to add sign up newsletter box inside post content using OptinMonster. Click Create a new campaign. We have to choose inline campaign to show newsletter box inside post content. Next we have to choose campaign template. I am choosing Metro template for this campaign. Name the campaign according to your wish. Choose website which you want to load this campaign. After that click Start Building. If you have OptinMonster Pro plan or Growth plan, you can hide OptinMonster badge in the newsletter form. For this, go to Display Settings and toggle off Display Powered by Link button. I am using the design as it is. In display rule, I am using only one condition for this campaign, which is current URL path is any page. The thank you page or success page will show like this for this campaign. Now go to Publish tab. Toggle on the status button to make the campaign from pause to live. Okay, let we see how to add this form in Blogger and WordPress. First we are going to see for Blogger. We have to add the OptinMonster JavaScript code just above the closing body tag of Blogger template. Copy the JavaScript code and go to your Blogger account. Go to Themes and click Edit HTML from drop-down option. Find the closing body tag and paste the JavaScript code just above it. Save the template and return to Blogger. Next we have to copy the div tag. Go to Blogger and edit the post which you want to add the form. Click HTML mode and paste the div tag in your required or desired place, and finally update the post. We can see that inside that particular blog post content sign up newsletter box was added successfully. Next let we see for WordPress. Campaign creation is similar to Blogger. After the live status, go to your WordPress dashboard. Click OptinMonster and refresh the campaign to retrieve the newly created campaigns. Next click Edit Output Settings. Copy the shortcode. I have selected Show Campaign to All Visitors and Users option. Finally click Save Settings. Edit the post which you want to add this sign up newsletter form. Choose shortcode block and paste that copied OptinMonster shortcode. Update the post. We can see that inside that particular blog post content sign up newsletter box was added successfully.